Hey, my name's Mark Eitel, host of the Mr. Mortgage Show and team lead at the Mr. Mortgage team. And I want to take just a couple minutes and explain what a 3-2-1 buy down really is. Is it an interest rate reduction or is it a payment subsidy? Guys, it's super confusing, but it's a powerful tool for selling and a powerful tool for buying a property. Guys, let's start by talking about what an interest rate buy down is. A buy down is an exchange of money in the form of a fee up front for a reduced interest rate for the life of the loan. So you'll pay what's called a discount point or a buy down point. Sometimes it's called a lender fee. And in exchange for that upfront money, the lender will discount the interest rate, which is really their profit margin on the loan for the life of the loan. So you're paying a little bit up front in exchange for a rate reduction for the full term of the loan if it's a fixed rate loan. That's a traditional rate buy down. The 3-2-1 buy down, the 2-1 or 1-1 buy down, we call them step up buy downs, but that's even more confusing. Those are a little different. Yes, there is an upfront fee exchanged for a reduced payment, but that upfront fee comes from the builder or the seller, and it's held in an escrow account, and it acts more like a payment subsidy. So let's say you're getting a 3-2-1 buy down, and let's say your starting rate is 7%. Well, for the first 12 months, the bank is collecting a payment as if the interest rate was only 4%, and they're taking the balance out of that payment subsidy escrow account. So for the first 12 months, they take what's the equivalent of a 4% interest rate payment from you and the rest from that escrow account. The second year, they take a little more from you, a little less from the escrow account. The third year, then again, your payment's a little larger. There's a little less in that escrow account. The beginning of the fourth year, the payment resets to that 7%. Now, I call it a payment subsidy escrow account because it truly is. The seller contribution is taken at the closing, and the lender handles all of this. You don't have to worry about it. It's guaranteed to be there for you, and it's held in escrow. But the cool thing is that's your money. At that day, that's your money. And what do I mean by that? If you were to sell your property in, let's say, 11 months, whatever was left in that escrow account is taken right off the top of your payoff because that's your money in that account. If you refinance before that adjustment term is over, the payoff is reduced by what's in the escrow account. So it's your money being held in escrow as a payment subsidy. Guys, I hope that makes sense. If you're selling a property and you're considering reducing your sales price to try to get the activity up, consider offering a interest rate buy down, either permanent or one of these 3-2-1 buy downs. If you're a listing agent and you've got a property, before you present a price adjustment, maybe this is a conversation that could make that property the most attractive one on the block because the payments are the equivalent of something 3 full points less than the market rate. And if you're buying, man, what a powerful way to get a discounted payment. Either way, the permanent buy down or the 3-2-1 buy down, instead of offering a discounted price, how about offering the full price and a seller contribution to either subsidize the payment or to buy the rate down? If you're a buyer or a buyer's agent and you want to know how to craft the language to make that offer work from the lender standpoint, please feel free to reach out. Guys, thank you. That's my thumbnail explanation of what's happening in the world of the 3-2-1 buy down. It's really a payment subsidy, and there's a payment calculator below this video where you can see how powerfully it can affect the monthly payment. And whatever the payment reduction is for the 3-2-1 is the cost of it. It's a dollar for dollar cost. Guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me and to my team. Woo! I tried to do that fast because I know everybody has a tiny attention span nowadays. Check the calculator out. All my contact information is somewhere on this page. If you need me or the team, please feel free to reach out.